for all of you, both a proud member and an ally to the LGBTQIA+ and every ally. We must continuously seek and cultivate new allies, fostering connections that strengthen our shared mission for equality and acceptance. So for tonight po, meron akong tatlong panawagan sa ating lahat. Una, advocacy for service delivery and policy. Kailangan po natin ngayon yan. Every day, we test around 100 people in our community center. We test around 200,000 people every single year. And every year, we test around 33,000 newly diagnosed people in the community. Ang dami po, no? At 98% po doon ay galing sa community natin. It's crossing the bridge, marami na rin mga state, pero kailangan natin alagaan ang mga kapatid natin. Now, services are already available. It's available po kayong lahat. All over the Philippines, we have 50 community-based organizations doing support for HIV, sexual health, mental health, and trans health. Sa ating po mga kapatid ng mga trans people, huwag po tayong hormones na, kayo-kayo lang. Kasi sobrang ganda mo, sobrang lambot mo, pero sabaw ka. Huwag po tayong ganon. So make sure that we have gender-affirming hormone therapy consultation. Libre lang po ito. Libre lang din po ang mga services natin sa aside from Love Yourself and Charter Community Center. Lahat ng mga LGUs, meron po tayong mga libreng social hygiene clinics, free ang testing, free ang treatment sa mga Tinderella, TikTokers. Meron po tayong PrEP at PEP na libre rin po. Para araw-araw, gabi-gabi, okay lang may laban. Pero of course, meron tayong mga partners all over here like Durex and Premier para sa mga taong ang option naman nila ay condoms and lubricant for you. Pangalawa po, napaka-importante po na hopefully sa session na po ito ay magtulungan tayo para finally ma-approve na po at mailaban natin ang mga policy on equality na kailangan natin dito sa Pilipinas. Pangalawa, choosing kindness and celebrating the drag culture. In our journey towards a more inclusive world, we must choose kindness over the vicious cycle of cancel culture. Over the recent 24 hours, nakakaloka po, nakakalungkot rin na tayo-tayo naglalaban-laban. Nakakaumay, why can we not choose kindness? May mga tao po tayo na kasama natin sa community that they are not necessarily allies even if they are members. So for me, and hopefully sa ito rin po mag-aasa tayo na instead of bashing and canceling, why not educate? Why not talk to people in a nice way? Bakit hindi tayo magyakapan kahit hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan at ipaliwanag sa atin sa mga tao hindi nakakaintindi para mas maintindihan nila? Instead of pushing each other, kailangan tayo po sa community natin ang unang-unang magkampihan. Maaaring iba-iba tayo ng pananaw, puro-puro, even the religion, but we are one blood. Our blood have different colors. Lahat sila ay kulay ng baghan. Counter ignorance or misinformation. Let's commit to educating and uplifting rather than condemning. We act better when we know more. And it's our duty to spread the knowledge compassionately. Hashtag compassionately po, huwag natin pasagin ng ating mga kapatid. Aside from that, I want to stress that drag is not just a performance. It's a vibrant part of our culture and history. It embodies creativity, talent, and unapologetic self-expression. Delicadas. Remembering drag queens and kings started the first ever Pride protest. May I quote Sylvia Rivera, "We have to be visible. We should not be ashamed of who we are. We have to show the world that we are numerous. We have the numbers. Wala tayong address, pero dumadami tayo. Makalakda. There are many of us out there. And last but not the least, gratitude and call for acceptance. Let us take a moment to thank all our partners. Maraming salamat po. Sana po, hindi lang tuwing June. Kasama po natin kayo sana buong taon at lagi-lagi sa paglaban ng equality for everyone. Let us thank our partners, our allies. Maraming salamat sa mga straight community na nandito. Maraming salamat sa mga LGBTQIA+ community na members na allies namin ngayon. And of course, our family and chosen families. Marami po sa ating swerte kasi kagaling yung mga pamilya, nanay, tatay na tumutulong. Pero swerte din tayo kung meron tayong mga pamilya, hindi man natin kadugo, pero mahal tayo. Within our community, let's advocate for Soji and practice respect and understanding towards those Soji as see may different from our own. Tingnan nyo yung katabi. Sana kaya nyo silang yakapin. Okay na ba mag-request? Isang power hug for everyone. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. Let's give a hug to the person on your left. Hug to your right. The person at your back. And the person at your front. Baka mamaya Joel yan yung naman. Now tonight, let's celebrate our progress, recognize the work ahead, and reaffirm our commitment to a future where every LGBTQIA+ person is seen, heard, and valued. Let us reclaim the word bakla and tomboy. Tapusin na ang ibig sabihin nila yung derogatory. Diba? I hope the next generation will claim the word. Hindi siya matalino, kailangan bakla siya. Diba? Successful siya at bakla pa. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the night, everyone.
Alright! By the way, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang ating opening remarks speaker, isa lang naman siya sa 10 outstanding young persons of the world noong 2018. And the founder and executive director of Love Yourself. Again, give it up for Ronaldine Vin Pagtakna.
That's our community through inspiring and astounding. May you continue to inspire more to spread love to all.
And as we proudly celebrate our pride, we have allies supporting our backs. For tonight's Pride Night, those are our generous partners, and we'll acknowledge them one by one.
That is the correct road to all.
Social na boses, baka ng